Go, 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 go. Go, children. Go, children. What? You don't see this beautiful kitchen? Ooh, look at them floors. Turn the light on.
Floors, when they gonna fix the floor?
Bro,
It's the same since we've been here.
Bro, first of all,
The cabinet might be different.
Yeah, the cabinets, that wasn't there last time.
Yeah, the cabinets, that's different. The
it's a
floors.
lot that's different. Let me make sure. Let me throw this stuff to the side.
Are they doing the floors?
He gotta do this. See what I'm saying, man? Goodness gracious, Jerry. Come on. Look at this.
Then they painted over one of the white places.
Yeah.
And painted
Are they getting rid of the dust on the floor?
We just making sure ain't no leaks. Watch out. Okay. Alright, check to see if any leaks here. Oh, we got a leak. I'm going to come back and do that. Come back and do this. Got a leak right there. Oh, my favorite daughter. Do me a favor. And wipe this counter off for me. Just get the white stuff
Why it's
off.
so dusty? Why didn't you put
Because
any
they
grass
did a
in?
horrible job cleaning it up. Just wipe get the ash off, basically. I'll be right back. Check, this need to be redone or painted over. I'm just making sure it's not a leak, and it is. You know what I'm saying? Look at this bullshit. So, needless to say, I had to get rid of this guy because he was just, the work he was doing is like horrible. I don't know. He started off good, and it just been getting worse and worse since. Like, as you can see in the pictures, like all this stuff is unfinished. And he called me and said he was done. I was out of town, so when I got back, I came and checked out, the work, and this is what he considers done. I was like, come on, man, this is horrible. And so anyway, called my other guy that does this kind of work. He just don't have a crew. He by himself, because I know you probably asking, well, why you didn't use him in the first place? That's why, because he's just a one-man show. So I called up Joe to come and fix everything that they did wrong, and so he came through. And he fixed everything, as you will see in the video. He definitely let it be known that he had to fix a whole lot of stuff. But he pretty cool.
Where you going in California, San Diego?
Downtown LA. Why?
My daughter lives in San Diego.
San Diego. How far is that from downtown LA?
Not far.
$300 for what?
$700. Toilet. Faucet. The bathtub leaking. The toilet.
Man,
I redid all that.
that ain't $700 worth of work.
No, that's today. Yesterday was different. All the shit I did yesterday.
Oh, what you do? You did the hot water taking furnace, right?
Huh?
Hot water taking furnace?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And the sink. Did you see the sink downstairs?
I never looked at it, but I believe you.
I had to cut that all out, didn't I?
I believe you.
Didn't I cut it all out? Open it up. I cleaned it out and everything.
Watch out, man. Get out my video.
And I didn't, man, I kissed your ass on that deal.
Why you so vulgar? You fixed the thermostat too?
That's all done.
It's all done. He feeling himself today, ain't he?
Check on me though. Check on me though. When I touch something, it's fixed.
I know, man. That's why I told him to call you.
Check on me for everything.
Okay, looking good.
I've been doing this for 45 years. I know what to do.
I know you do.
I don't jackleg people shit.
You say you don't what?
Jackleg people shit.
Jackleg. That's
Jackleg.
an old school word there.
Logbook. You know.
The light still ain't working, Joe.
What?
This second one.
There's a switch for it over there.
Are you serious?
Yeah, go down. That's supposed to be 2 switches.
You
Up
said,
on the left,
oh,
on the
I
right.
see, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know it was two for the different light, each light.
But I'm talking about all this other shit that they fucked up.
Oh yeah, I told him to call you first.
Water keys there. I ain't charging for them. You got all about them.
About what?
The water keys I put downstairs for your things. Turn your water on, your main water.
Oh, the water meter.
You gotta call the water department too.
Why?
So you need a meter.
Oh, we ain't got no meter.
For the keys.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I ain't charging for them. See, I keep forgetting shit I be doing. For real.
I hear you, man.
I over budget you.
You ain't got nothing to do with our budget. I'm just saying in general, like we went over budget.
No, I gotta go back to my phone.